Lenovo LOQ, Ryzen 7. Processor, AMD Ryzen 7-7840HS. Graphics NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40608GB. Display 15.6 inches FHD, 1920x1080, IPS 350 nits anti-glare. 45% NTSC. 144 Hz. G-Sync. FreeSync. Camera FHD 1080p with eShutter. USB-C 3.2 Gen 2, support data transfer, power delivery 140W and DisplayPort 1.4. Headphone, microphone combo jack. USB 2.0. 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2. Ethernet, RJ45. HDMI 2.1. Power connector. Storage 512GB SSD M2 2242 PCIe 4.0x4 NVMe. Memory 16GB so DIMM DDR5-5600 MHz, 2x 8GB. Audio chip high definition, HD, audio, Realtek ALC 3287 codec. Speakers stereo speakers, 2WX2, optimized with Nahimic gaming audio. WLAN plus Bluetooth Wi-Fi 6, 11AX 2x2 plus BT 5.1. Battery integrated 60 Wh. Power adapter 170W slim tip, 3-pin. Case color storm gray. Operating system Windows 11 Home.